Adobe Creative Cloud brings all the functionality of the Adobe Creative Suite into an online Express version. So first, go to Adobe and create a new account, and you can choose either a personal account or a school account. Complete the registration process, and then you'll be given access to your online school account. There's a waffle in the top right-hand corner that gives you access to all of the apps that you have with your school account. Today, we're going to go ahead and look at Adobe Express. Select Adobe Express and begin. Adobe Express is sort of the one-stop shop for all creative things in the online Adobe version. So when you click the plus button in the top left-hand side, you can see all of the things that you're able to do, such as create explainer videos, newsletters, web pages, banners. You can convert files, remove backgrounds, even crop video. So it's a very, very useful tool. Any projects that you make will be saved on the left-hand side. You can see that we have projects and brands and libraries, but there's a new button called Resources. This gives you adaptable worksheets to help you get started. You have lesson plans that are included right here. Below that, you also have access to learning opportunities and self-paced courses to help you make sense of this all. To begin, we're going to start at the top. When we select our waffle and go to Adobe Express, this takes us to our homepage where we'll have all of our suggestions and recent programs that we've used. We have quick actions that are available to us right here without having to dig for them. Or to create a new project, simply click the plus button in the top left-hand side and select the project you would like to make. Many of the projects that are available in the Adobe Express suite offer you step-by-step suggestions to get started. So, you type in the subject that you want to present on and begin your project. Here they give you some options. In this case, I'm making a video. So it gives me all of the different types of video templates that they have. I select the one that I'd like and follow the directions.